Starting around 15 August 2023, Dogecoin really is exchanging at $0.074 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.32% certainly in every practical sense. Most recent 1 hour in a quite huge manner. Doge sort of has a sort of most certainly all-out market cap of $10,361,774,025, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $324,116,956. This in a real sense makes Dogecoin, Doge by and large positioning at 7 in the cryptographic money market in a fundamentally in every way that really matters, significant way. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly sort of is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin truly be somewhat worth in 2023, which basically is genuinely huge? Is Dogecoin a genuinely wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023 amazingly? Will Doge cost basically outperform its unequaled high, which explicitly truly is genuinely critical? These truly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, which is very huge, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost entirely is supposed to in every practical sense, in a real sense, cross and in every way that really matters, normal value level of $0.093. The normal pretty least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the very current year ought to especially be $0.089 in a for the most part lovely significant manner in a significant manner. Besides, Doge can arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0.098. Dogecoin value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin truly is supposed to truly be at around an especially least of $0.072, which fundamentally is very critical, which is genuinely huge. Dogecoin cost can fundamentally arrive at an actually certainly limit of $0.082, with the truly normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars, or so they basically by and large thought in a quite enormous manner. Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin in a real sense truly is anticipated to by and large basically reach at an extremely least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, which really is very critical, which basically is genuinely huge. The Doge cost could especially arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of $0.085, with the sort of truly normal exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023. Genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089 in an exceptionally large manner in an unpretentious way, while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.086, which for the most part is very critical. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin certainly is basically generally anticipated to truly reach at an in every practical sense least worth of $0.086 in November 2023, which is genuinely critical. The Doge cost could truly arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.093, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023 in a significant manner in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin especially is essentially anticipated to for the most part really reach at a kind of by and large least worth of $0.089 in December 2023 in a sort of significant way, or so they thought. The Doge cost could arrive at a decently especially greatest worth of $0.098, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023. Dogecoin exceptionally past value examination, in the kind of truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally basically has been in a real sense diminished by 1.58% in its sort of truly current worth, which in a real sense is genuinely huge in a significant manner. On the off chance that we entirely look at the by and large genuinely current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can essentially see that the market cap certainly is likewise down, extremely kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking in a for the most part significant manner. Dogecoin basically is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, reasonably truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The Doge essentially truly is down to nearly 1.2% in the truly most recent 7 days, fundamentally by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for outrageously past essentially beautiful few days. The coin could actually explicitly have areas of strength for commonly yet. We don't in every practical sense, sort of figure, that it would a beneficial resource in most certainly lovely present moment, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking, in spite of prevalent thinking, inside the by and large in every way that really matters, most recent 1 month. The cost of Doge basically for the most part diminished by 22.385%, taking out an astounding especially normal amount of $0.021 from its kind of current worth in an unobtrusive manner, which for the most part is genuinely huge. This unexpected down implies that the coin for the most part sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a sort of very great truly purchase and open door for truly fast interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 14.67%, and the cost flowed from a very in every way that really matters, least especially normal cost of $0.085 to entirely greatest exceptionally normal cost of $0.088 and the beyond 90 days, which essentially is genuinely huge. In sort of most recent 4 months Dogecoin for the most part has shown a developing pattern, fundamentally further appearance how Dogecoin, Doge value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089. Hence, we generally imagine that comparative pieces of the market truly were very famous at that period, or so they truly thought, as opposed to prevalent thinking. As per the genuinely outright most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Dogecoin truly is expanded from 4 months, pretty really as opposed to prevalent thinking. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, which especially fundamentally is genuinely critical. The coin basically is up by 3.01%, with the genuinely greatest vary all expectations and purposes. Normal cost of the coin generally truly was around $0.076, and the genuinely least beautiful especially normal cost of certainly was around $0.073, in for the most part beyond 4 months in a huge manner in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin value estimate 2023 facts. What will really be Dogecoin truly worth in 2023? Which is genuinely huge. The Doge value sort of certainly is gauged to by and large for the most part arrive at a kind of truly greatest degree of $0.098, with most certainly least cost of $0.089.